Whoa, hold everything. Have you ever looked at your keyboard and thought, is this a tech device or a cookie crumb storage unit? Well, breathe easy because the ultimate keyboard cleaner laptop cleaning kit is here to save the day and your dignity. Think of this kit as your all-in-one superhero squad for your electronics. You've got the mighty microfiber cloths wiping out smudges, while the stealthy cleaning gel dives into those stubborn keyboard crevices, scooping out mystery crumbs. And who hasn't struggled with their smartphone screen's smudge saga? Zap those away with a gentle, non-abrasive spray that says, "Fingerprints, begone!" Plus, soft-bristled brushes are at the ready to sweep dust from ports with a gentle nudge. No scratches here, folks. Whether you're a techie, a student, a pro photographer, or just someone who obsesses over keeping things squeaky clean, this kit is your go-to gadget guru on the go, ready to say goodbye to grime. Click the link in the description to grab your kit today and let the tech cleaning adventure begin.